Hare Krishna. So today we will talk about what is the best charity. In one of our previous video we talked about importance of charity, why everybody should do charity. Today we will discuss what is the best charity. In this world we see people do charity in many different ways. Some people want to feed the poor, some give clothing to the poor, some give medicine to the needy, some make arrangement for poor people's education. Yes, these are all good activities to help others in their need. But if we try to solve one problem today, tomorrow still there will be some other problem. So the best thing is to solve the problem from the root. And how is that possible? Because all our problems are because of ignorance, because of lack of knowledge about God. So if we remove this ignorance, that can solve all the problems. So the best charity is to give knowledge about God. It is said in this world, if there is anything lacking, that is knowledge of God. So to give that knowledge of God, give Hari Katha. That is the best charity. Even Lord himself says, what is the best charity? In Srimad Bhagavatam there is a verse which describes the best type of charity, and it is being stamped by Srimati Radharani, the eternal consort of the Lord. Radharani, along with other gopis, while searching for Lord Krishna, she is speaking out this one verse which it gives the essence of the whole Srimad Bhagavatam, essence of all the Vedic literature. Tav katha amritam tapta jivanam kabhi bhiriditam kalmashapaham Shravana Mangalam Srimadattatam Bhuvi Grananti Ye Bhurida Jana. Bhurida Jana. Who is most charitable person? Who is doing the best service to other? The person who is speaking about the glories of the Lord. The person who is speaking about knowledge of God. In this material world, our lives have been suffering because of various problems, but Lord's glories, Lord's Katha, Lord's narrations are like the nectar for this burning life. When we hear the narrations of the Lord, it brings auspiciousness in our life. It removes all the sinful reaction from our lives. So somebody who is doing that service, speaking about the glories of the Lord, speaking about the narrations of the Lord, he is doing the best charity. That is most charitable person, सबसे परोपकारी व्यक्ति है. And Lord Krishna also tells himself in Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, one who gives this knowledge to others, he is most dear to me. There was never a person more dear to me, or there will never be a person more dear to me. So one who is speaking about the knowledge of God, who is connecting people with God, he is the most charitable person. So giving knowledge about God is the best charity. And somebody may say, oh, I don't have that qualification that I can sit on a Vyasasana and speak about Lord's Katha, Hari Katha, speak about glories of the Lord, speak lectures on scriptures. I do not have that qualification. Yes, it may be true. We ourselves may not be able to do that, but at least we can help, we can support those people who are trying to do this. When there is a program organized, Hari Katha is going on, we can help in those programs financially. We can help in serving the prasad, the sanctified food which is offered to the Lord. Distribute that prasad to everybody. We can help by distributing the scriptures, the books like Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam to others. So in those ways also we can help in distributing the knowledge about God, distributing Hari Katha. So that is the best type of charity which is sanctioned, which is approved, which is certified by the Lord himself. So let's take to that most magnanimous act of distributing the knowledge of God and bring people closer to the Lord. Thank you. Hare Krishna.